Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about how you guys can build your very first website. To build a custom website, you need two things. Number one, a domain name. Number two, a hosting service. Think of a domain name at the basic level, just like a human, an individual person. Just like a person cannot function properly without having a residence, a domain name cannot function properly without a hosting service. So hosting service, you can think of, it's just like any other company. It has like a lot of computers and stuff where you get to rent out a specific storage space on their computer, where you rent out on a monthly basis and store your content. So, for example, my domain is halalyes.com, and I have hosting service with host.com. So if you go to the browser and you type in halalyes.com, you'll see that your browser gets filled with text and images and pictures and a lot of other stuff. What are these? These are called the content. So when you type the domain, you just type in domain. Domain doesn't have all of this information, nothing at all. Domain has only the name. Domain is pointed, every domain is pointing to at least one hosting service. So all of this content, the data is stored in my account in this hosting service with Bluehost, which is connected to this halalyes.com domain name. So whenever a visitor goes to a website and types in halalyes.com, the name gets forwarded to the hosting service, and hosting service serves all this data right onto your browser page. So which means every domain needs to be connected to at least one hosting service. We have multiple, but let's not get into the complexity of it right now. And on the left-hand side, we have this image. Think of this as the World Wide Web, the whole internet of the world. And look at these figures all over around the world. There are billions of domain names. So we have 4 domain names I'm looking at, and I'm going to build something around it. So let's quickly say these 3 domains, they have hosting service, meaning if they have content, if you go to their website, these domains website, you will see contents on your browser. Here, this 4th domain does not have a hosting service. So if you go to this domain name, abcd.com or whatever.com, and since it doesn't have any connection, it doesn't have any hosting account with it, there's no content on the website. So your website is going to be blank or unreachable or some other error messages. So first thing, domain name. Second thing, hosting service. And just keep that in mind. And in the next videos of the series, I'm going to be taking you guys through where to buy the domain, where to buy the your hosting service, which ones to select. I'm going to put up more videos on how to advertise your site, how to connect your site to Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and all of that. So join me in this journey, and let's have some fun building your very first website. I'll see you guys next time. Assalamu alaikum.